Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Walaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I am Afra from G5.
I am Asara from G5.
I am going to ask about Muslim freedom fighter. Will you answer?
Yes.
Who was the first freedom fighter of India?
Nawab Siraj-ud-Dawla was the first freedom fighter of India.
When was Nawab Siraj-ud-Dawla born?
Nawab Siraj-ud-Dawla was born in
1733.
1733.
Who is known as the Tiger of Mysore?
Tipu Sultan is known as Tiger of Mysore.
Where was Tipu Sultan born?
Tipu Sultan born on Kolar district in the Karnataka state.
Who used the artillery in the Indian War of Independence?
Tipu Sultan used the artillery first war
In the
first war of independence.
Who devised new war strategies during the first Indian War of Independence?
Ajmal Khan was the
devised new war of
strategy of the first war of independence.
Who was the commander-in-chief of India's War of Independence?
One more.
Muhammad Buhari Khan was the commander-in-chief of India's War of Independence. Who was the last king of the Mughal Empire?
Muhammad
Bahadur Shah Jafar.
Bahadur Shah Jafar was the last king of Mughal Empire.
In which city Bahadur Shah Jafar born?
Bahadur Shah Jafar was born in Delhi.
In which year did Bahadur Shah Jafar die?
Bahadur Shah Jafar died on November 7, 1862. Thank you,
Thank you, Zakalaukai.